Hi guys, this is a Temu AliExpress. I just say both now, and I'll link down below what I got. This is an LED sign. I'm having issues unmirroring mirroring my front camera on my phone. I know I can probably do it on my computer, but I know a lot of people go live on their computer, but it's just so easy to use the phone. But help me, because as of now, everything you guys will see is backwards. Everything. I don't know what else to do. They fixed it for Apple, but Android, it's still, I'm sure they're very well aware of it. I mean, I could send YouTube. Wow. Okay. So comes with all your hanging pieces. And you guys, I'm so excited about this one too, but VIP lounge. I thought for Friday night, because that pink is like my list of shops pink. I thought it would be super cool to put on in the background on Friday nights, but until I get it flipped, I don't really know what to do. And I have a lot of other ones too in here. They should actually make the signs flipped, don't you think? I think they should make all the LED signs flip too, or give you an option of which way, because they're basically used for social media platforms these days. Like, flip them. You'll sell a lot more, just saying. Oh, okay. So this is an intelligent car aroma. So it's like a scent thing that you have to charge. Usually when they send you things from Temu and AliExpress, they've got like half a charge. But these like let out, it came with the scents too. I'll show you. As you know, I love my smells, and I know they have that's a nice box. That's a really nice box. Wow, this is really nice. How it came packaged. I want to say it was like $9. So it comes like this, right? And you put it on your air vent and you can charge it. And you get, this is the luxury scent. It's got like a lot of juice in it. Let me tell you what they smell like first. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not my favorite, but it's okay. This one's cologne. It had really good reviews too. Oh, I like the cologne. It smells like men's cologne. I like it. I'll definitely be using that one. This would make a really good gift. This one is Ocean. Let's see. Ocean smells amazing. I'm going to use that one first. I will link these things because if I can, sometimes the seller's like sold out or whatever. This is Wild Bluebell. I don't know. Why is that on there? I can't really smell it very much. White tea smells good. White tea is probably the strongest. And then black tea. Or no, black ice. They're all, I would say these are more manly scents. They're for a dude. But I'll use them. And now, how do you put this in there? Okay, it's on. So it lights up. Does this come down into it? Someone help me. See how it flashes? I don't know. Oh, yeah, you do take that off. You have to twist it. Okay, dumbass. I'm definitely not a nerd. Like, I'm very good at reading, and that's not directions though, like romance books. That's about it. That smells like ocean without the fishy smell. So yeah, I'll link that below. And it lights up pretty neat. And it's got your charger. Yeah, I mean, for $9, why wouldn't you? I think the luxury one is also like new car smell. I don't like that. I never do. I want it to smell either like food or something, but not. This has to go, yeah. But anyway, that is that haul. I got it working. Actually, let me see if we can see it puff. See how it lights up? Did you see it light up? Did you see that? And I think it's on a timer and it'll puff like every so often. You guys. Oh, did you see it again? Let's see if it does it again. That is so cool. That is neat. And it looks nice. They have different colors of these. They have like the silver and it's like a matte bullet color. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, thank you for being here. I love it. I just wish they would make the LED signs backwards as well, because social media stars us professionals. I'm so far from professional. I don't even know like what that even means anymore. But thank you for being here. I will link the products down below if I can, if the seller's still available. And they should definitely give me commission, but they don't. I'm not affiliated with Temu or AliExpress. Maybe in the future, I'll worry about doing that when I get enough clicks. But anyway, thank you for being here. Definitely thumbs up this video, hype this video as well. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, join us. And put down below if you found anything cool off Temu or AliExpress, and like, what have you found? I'd love to know. And yeah, check out my lives at the end of the day. That's the quickest way you will see what I've been up to and what I buy. And at the end of the week on Fridays, join us at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we do trivia. You guys, this trivia is for everyone. It's for all ages. We have boomers. We have, and we're going to start out with boomers this week because I feel like my boomers folks haven't gotten any of theirs yet. But it'll teach us, you know, Gen X, Gen Z, millennial folks a little bit about the boomer era, which I know a lot about because my parents, like if it's pop culture, I could probably answer half of them because, you know, my parents listened to 50s and 60s music. So yeah, we're gonna try that. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I can't wait, you guys. Every Friday gets better and better. It really, really does. And also join me for my readings. I love to read romance. I'm obsessed with romance. I'm actually writing my own as we speak. So yeah, join us for that, and I will see y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.